If you're watching this, you're already behind. You're not broke because you're stupid. That you're broke because you're distracted. You spend money before you make real money. You trade time for a paycheck and call it security. Trapped? Here's the truth. Wealthy people focus. They learn high-income skills. They build income streams. They create value. Then they invest and let their money work harder than they do. The difference between broke and rich is disciplined. Most people fail because they copy, not create. They wait for luck instead of making their own. Saving $10,000 feels good, but it barely changes your life. The first $100,000 is where real leverage begins. Below 100K, growth feels slow. Above it, momentum kicks in. Your money starts pulling its own weight. $300 a month invested in 8% gets you to 100K in about 17 years. Once you hit 6 figures, compounding accelerates faster than your savings rate. Stop chasing fast money. Focus on building real wealth. Discipline beats luck every time. The right mindset is everything. Without it, skill and money fail. Set clear goals, then reverse engineer the steps to achieve them. Consistency beats intensity. Small daily wins compound over time. Every smart investor knows time is the secret weapon. The first 100K unlocks leverage, freedom, and confidence. From here, wealth grows faster than your effort. You don't need $1 million to feel wealthy. Start small, build big. Stop blaming circumstances. Take control of your money today. Discipline, consistency, and patience. That's the formula. Start now. Build skills, build income, invest, and let your money work for you.